You're tuned in to R.A. Solutions, your tech Q&A corner, where I tackle the digital dilemmas you send my way. I'm your host, R.A. Solutions. Here to demystify your most pressing IT questions, from email headaches to hard drive conundrums. Whether you're tech savvy or just getting started, this show's for you. Ready to unlock some tech secrets? Let's dive into today's top listener questions. Ever felt like your inbox is a magnet for junk mail? It's not just you. Spam filtering uses algorithms a bit like bouncers at a nightclub, sorting legit emails from the riffraff. But even the best filter lets some slip through, thanks to spammers' evolving tactics and social engineering. Now, you might ask, why can't spam filters just block everything suspicious? Here's the conflict. If filters get too strict, important messages might get trashed. The resolution? Smart filters learn over time, so mark those spam emails. Help your filter, and it'll help you. Let's break down a defense plan. First, use your provider's report spam feature. Each click trains their algorithm, a bit like teaching your dog to sit. Next, never reply or click links in spam. It confirms your address is real, and that's like inviting more party crashers. You might wonder, is unsubscribing safe? Only if you trust who sent it. Shady emails use unsubscribe buttons to check for active users. Finally, set up filters or rules. Think of them as custom gates for specific senders. Stay vigilant, and you'll see your inbox breathe easy. You asked, what's the difference between SharePoint and OneDrive? Great question. Both are cloud storage solutions, but here's the twist. OneDrive is your personal online locker, while SharePoint is like a team workspace. Imagine OneDrive as your private desk drawer and SharePoint as the department filing cabinet everyone can access. Now, you might be tempted to store everything in OneDrive, but collaboration, real-time editing, version control shines in SharePoint. So, for solo work, stick with OneDrive. For group projects, SharePoint wins hands down. Let me tell you a story. A client once stored all project files on OneDrive, then wondered why the team kept losing track of versions. Enter SharePoint with its document libraries and permission controls. Picture permissions as keys to different rooms and versioning as a time machine for your files. Here's the conflict. Too many cooks in the kitchen can lead to chaos. The solution: structured folders, clear naming rules, and setting up alerts. With SharePoint, you turn team confusion into collaboration magic. Now, organizing files sounds simple, right? Yet, chaos creeps in fast. The setup, your desktop's a mess, files everywhere. The conflict: can't find that one report when you need it. The resolution is twofold: consistent naming conventions and folder hierarchies. Think of metadata as sticky notes describing each document, and hierarchy as a family tree for your files. Pro tip: use dates and keywords in names, like 202406 client invoice PDF. Suddenly, searching is a breeze, and lost files become a thing of the past. Now, you might be thinking, is cloud storage really secure? The answer, it depends how you use it. Encryption is the padlock, and two factor authentication is the alarm system. Always log out on public devices and set strong, unique passwords. And don't forget, synchronize regularly so your files are always up to date. That way, if disaster strikes, laptop crash, coffee spill, you're just a login away from all your documents. That's peace of mind powered by the cloud. Let's talk security two factor authentication, or 2FA. Imagine your password is your front door key. 2FA adds a second lock, a code sent to your phone, or an authenticator app. Now, hackers need both to break in. The setup, you enable 2FA, the conflict. It's one extra step, and sometimes, yes, a hassle. The resolution, that tiny extra effort can block 99% of automated attacks. So next time you're tempted to skip it, remember, sometimes one more lock makes all the difference. Picture this: your laptop dies and years of files are gone. Nightmare, right? Here's the 3-2-1 backup strategy. Keep 3 copies of your data on 2 different media with one offsite. Think of it as insurance for your digital life. Hard drives can fail, those are your media. Cloud backup is your offsite hero. Automated backup software acts like a diligent assistant, quietly working in the background. Follow this rule and you'll never lose sleep or files again. Ever wondered how tech pros stay organized? Automation is the secret sauce. Tools like Microsoft Power Automate or Zapier act as digital assistants, moving files, sending reminders, connecting apps, all while you focus on real work. The setup: you spend hours on repetitive tasks. The conflict: time wasted, creativity stifled. The resolution: automate routine chores. Suddenly, your focus shifts to what actually matters and you gain back hours each week. That's the promise of smarter work. Feeling overwhelmed by digital clutter or tech hiccups? You're not alone. Every listener question proves we all face these bumps. But here's your call to action: don't struggle in silence. Ask, share, connect. Send your next burning tech question to Ask R.A Solutions. Together, we'll turn confusion into clarity, one episode at a time. Thanks for listening, and remember, your smartest digital self is just a question away.